Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2018 Chevy Impala LT, stock number Z7509X. 17,000 miles on this Impala, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Pepperdust Metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Impala is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the large car class, seats 5, lots of legroom for the rear passengers, split seat backs, fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Very large trunk, one of the largest in its class. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8-inch touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or for connecting other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. There's, of course, where the backup camera display is. You can also load other various apps. Dual-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy, along with those 305 horses. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 65% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.